Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful heart step by step. It's really easy to follow and perfect if you're just starting out. Let's get started. The yarn I will use to crochet the heart is medium weight. The hook size is 3.00 and I will use a needle and scissors. To start crocheting the heart, first I make a slip knot. Then I chain 4. I insert my hook into the first chain and join. A small circle is formed like this. Now I chain 2. I yarn over and insert into the circle, and I gently hold the short yarn with my hand to hide it. I make a regular double crochet. In total, I make 12 double crochets into the circle. I've reached the end of the round. I pull the short yarn to tighten the ring. And I join by inserting into the first double crochet. Then I chain 2 and move on to the second round. In the second round, I make 2 double crochets into each stitch. So into the first stitch, I make 2, and into the next stitch, again 2 double crochets. I continue like this all the way around. At the end of the round, I will have a total of 24 double crochets. I join again into the first double crochet. Then I chain 1 and move on to the third round. In the third round, I keep my stitches tight and wrap the yarn around the hook 3 times. I insert the hook into the fourth chain, pull the yarn through, and make a double treble crochet in the first stitch. Again, I wrap the yarn around the hook 3 times, insert into the same place, and make another double treble crochet in the first stitch. Into the same point, I make a total of 7 double treble crochets. Now into the same place, I make 2 treble crochets. This forms the top part of the heart. Into the next 2 chains, I make treble crochets one by one. Into the next chain, I make a treble crochet. Into the next, a double crochet. And into the next, a half double crochet. Into the next 3 chains, I make 1 single crochet in each. After that, I make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and chain 1. One side of the heart is now ready. Now I continue the other side in the same way. Into the next chain, I make 1 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet. Into the next 3 chains, I make single crochets. Then 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet, into the next stitches I make 2 treble crochets, into the next chain. First I make 2 treble crochets, and then into the same chain I make 7 double treble crochets. I complete the double treble crochets until they are 7. Now I join into the place where I started. I chain 1 and cut the yarn. I thread the remaining yarn into the needle and neatly hide it on the back side. Then I cut the excess yarn and now my crochet heart is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.